Imagine all the information on the internet, all the YouTube videos, all the Instagram photos, and all the books ever written. All of it fit into a space the size of this drop of water.
No more giant data centers. We're entering the era of living hard drives, where your gut bacteria can store your bank passwords. But wait, the story isn't quite that pretty. What would happen if a hacker hid a computer virus inside a real bacterium and released it into the wild? Biology is becoming a cyber weapon. Stay with me until the end of this video to find out why scientists believe the future of computers is not silicon, but blood.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Peace out.
So let's see what's going on. The computer or phone you're watching this video on right now has a language of zeros and ones. But nature has another language: A, C, G, and T. These are the letters of the DNA alphabet. Scientists can now take digital files like this video and convert their zeros and ones into genetic code. For example, the number 01 becomes the letter A. Then, using a genetic scissors known as CRISPR, they force this message into the body of a poor bacteria like E. coli.
And here's the magic part: automatic backup. When you put a file on your hard drive, you have to hit the copy button. But bacteria replicate themselves. One bacteria becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, and your file becomes millions of copies without you lifting a finger. But there's always a big but. Storing information on living things has opened the gates of hell that have terrified philosophers. The first threat: bioterrorism and Trojan horses. Imagine a hacker hiding a malicious virus or malware inside the DNA of a harmless bacterium. The bacterium enters the laboratory, the sequencer starts reading the genetic code, and boom! The virus from the biological world enters the laboratory's computer system and hacks it. This is no longer science fiction. This is a real threat. The second danger: evolutionary contamination. What if these data-carrying bacteria escape? What if they mate with wild species? We are introducing our own digital waste into the evolutionary cycle of nature. In 100 years, we may have animals carrying our grandparents' vacation photos. And most frightening of all, privacy. If your medical records were ever stored in your skin cells, anyone who could find a single strand of your hair could hack your entire life. So, should we ignore this technology? No. Scientists at ETH Zurich have come up with a clever solution: artificial, non-living DNA. In this method, there is no more bacteria or life. DNA is made into a chemical powder and locked in glass capsules, just like insects that have survived millions of years in amber. This means that it is neither environmentally dangerous nor ethically questionable. This method can keep information intact for thousands of years, even after nuclear wars and the destruction of civilization. A real time capsule for posterity. But it's not just about storage. Are you ready to blow your brains out? DNA computers. Your body is already a supercomputer. Ordinary silicon computers do things one at a time, but DNA can do parallel processing. Trillions of DNA strands in a drop of water solve problems simultaneously. What would take a supercomputer 1,000 years to do, DNA can do in a matter of hours. And what's the use? Invisible doctors. Imagine a biological computer injected into your bloodstream. This computer keeps checking Is your blood sugar high? Is there a cancer cell? And as soon as the answer is yes, it releases the drug right there. No batteries, no doctors. We stand on a thin line between information immortality and dangerous manipulation of nature. Companies are investing heavily in this technology. Now, my question to you is, if you could store one file, just one file, in your DNA to be passed down for thousands of years, what would it be? A family photo? A special book? Or maybe your Bitcoin wallet?
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Peace out.